Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of content creation. Whether you're a passionate writer, a talented artist, or a charismatic presenter, content creation offers incredible opportunities for personal and professional growth. In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of getting into content creation. So, let's jump right in. Before everything else, let us first figure out, what is content creation? Content creation refers to the process of generating and producing various forms of media content, such as articles, blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, and social media posts, with the intent of engaging and informing a target audience. It involves the creation of original, valuable, and relevant material that captures the attention of viewers, readers, or listeners. Content creation encompasses both the ideation and execution stages, where creators conceptualize ideas, conduct research, write scripts or outlines, create visuals, record or film, edit, and ultimately publish or share their content across various platforms. At its core, content creation is about storytelling and communication. It allows individuals or businesses to share their expertise, experiences, opinions, and narratives in a way that resonates with their audience. The content created can serve different purposes, such as entertaining, educating, inspiring, or even promoting products or services. Content creators often employ a mix of creativity, knowledge, and technical skills to craft engaging and impactful content that captures the attention and interest of their intended audience. Content creation has become increasingly important in the digital age, as it plays a crucial role in online marketing, brand building, and community engagement. High-quality and compelling content can attract and retain an audience, drive website traffic, improve search engine rankings, and establish credibility and authority in a particular niche or industry. It allows individuals and businesses to connect with their target audience on a deeper level, foster relationships, and build a loyal following. Moreover, content creation provides an avenue for self-expression, personal growth, and the opportunity to make a positive impact by sharing knowledge, insights, and perspectives with the world. One of the greatest advantages of content creation is the ability to express yourself creatively. Whether you're sharing your thoughts through writing, capturing breathtaking photographs, or creating engaging videos, content creation allows you to tap into your imagination and share your unique perspective with the world. Content creation is not just about creating something for others. It's also an incredible journey of personal development. It pushes you to develop new skills, refine your craft, and learn from your experiences. As you strive to improve, you'll gain confidence, resilience, and a deep sense of self-discovery. When you start creating content, you open doors to connect with like-minded individuals from all around the globe. Building a community around your content allows you to interact with people who share your interests, passions, and values. These connections can lead to lifelong friendships, collaborations, and even professional opportunities. Content creation has become a legitimate career path for many individuals. As your audience grows and your skills improve, you may find doors opening to various professional opportunities. These can include sponsored partnerships, brand collaborations, freelance work, and even the potential for launching your own business. By sharing your content, you have the power to influence and impact others positively. Whether it's through entertaining, educating, or inspiring, your creations can make a meaningful difference in people's lives. Your voice matters, and content creation allows you to amplify it to a wide audience. As we conclude our exploration of the benefits of content creation, it's evident that this journey is so much more than just creating videos, articles, or artwork. It's a pathway to self-expression, personal growth, community building, career opportunities, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world. So, if you've ever thought about starting your content creation journey, now is the time to take that leap and unlock your true potential. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember, the world is waiting to hear your story. Start creating and let your voice be heard. Until next time.